Scholars, Mr. Brooks here. Got my cloud face color. Gloves. Y'all being safe when y'all outside? I know I am. It's not as hot as it was that one day. I do walk. I know that I'm safe. Make sure that you're safe, Scholars. Make sure you get off of those walks. Hope y'all are feeling okay. Hope y'all are being safe. Hope y'all remember that you're not only awesome, you're not only fantastic. You are bright, you are gifted, you are talented. So now is time. Now is the time to use your gifts and talents for good. Do something positive for your family, whatever that is. Do something nice and kind to your brother or sister, or cousin, or friend. And if you are hurting inside, take your time to heal. Part of that is carefully take care of your business. Also having forgiveness. Alright, scholars, make sure you forgive. Make sure you smile. Make sure you laugh. Have joy. Make sure you do what you need to do, okay? Y'all be safe. See some people making loud noises. Mr. Bush staying away from that. You're going for a walk safely. You're around nobody that's making a bunch of loud noises. Make sure you're not making a lot of loud noises either. Everybody just gotta be safe, alright? Alright, scholars. It's good talking with you. This walk, I'm almost home. Thank you for tuning in and watching the videos. For those that have, if you haven't, check them out. They're important. Every one of them is significant. They're all significant. They are for you. Thank you, scholars. All right, Mr. Brooks out. Peace.